everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Skeem Saam from the 16th to 20th of February 2026. On Monday, Nkosi is shocked to discover that his missing cousin has become a murderer. Mr. Xulu holds auditions for learners interested in joining the school choir on Tuesday. Jacobeth and Mantuli are set to fire over a man. Phumulo is determined to track down and eliminate an enemy, while Lehasa has his own intentions for him on Wednesday. Mr. Xulu walks into his worst nightmare. Jacobeth's court date may be approaching soon. Mantuli rejects Clement's advice on obeying the law on this day. When the past knocks from behind prison walls, Jacobeth's peace shatters. Pretty's hunger to prove herself lands her on the wrong side of trust. On Friday, Mr. Xulu anticipates meeting Mantuli's son-in-law. Jacobeth is anxious about visiting the man who brought devastation to her life. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.